Hi friends, this is Dishita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper animal like mouse, dog, cat and fox. So the materials are used sketch pens, pencil, eraser, scissor and an A4 size sheet. You can use color papers for the better look. I'm using one-side printed waste paper for the environment friendly. So let's gonna begin. Take a square paper and join the both sides to get a triangle shape like this. Take the left side of the egg and fold it like a triangle of giving the gap of ½ inch. Now take back side, take the 1 inch gap and fold it. Now you take this edge and keep like this and push it inside. Now down the edge of the corner of this corner, fold it back like this. Now your mouse shape is ready. Now let's draw the nose of mouse. Now hair. Now eyes. Now ears. Now let's draw the outline with sketch. Take a black sketch and draw the nose and shade it in. And now eyes. Now shade it. Now ears. Now I'm taking red sketch and I'm drawing the second one. Now your mouse is ready. Now let's see how to make the dog. Take a square paper and join the both edges to get a triangle shape like this. Now fold it into half to get the exact triangle. Now take this point and fold it like this. And this one also similarly like this. Now down you have two papers. You fold it back. Now let me show you the outline with pencil. Now let's sketch it like this. Now your dog is ready. Now let's make the cat. So take a square paper and join the edges to get a triangle shape like this and fold it to half like a triangle shape again. Fold this edge like this. Now give half inch gap and fold it like this. And this also similarly, half inch gap and fold it like this. Now your cat shape is ready. You draw eyes, hair, nose and mouth like this. And your cat is ready. Now let's see the fox. Now take a square paper and join the edge to get a triangle like this. Now take this edge and keep it up. Like this. From this edge, you just fold like this. Similarly, you fold this also like this. See. Now your fox shape is ready. Now you can draw eyes and nose like this and your fox is ready.
Okay.
So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.